Welcome to Beautyistic, the place where we review the latest beauty products with in-depth insights and honest feedback. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Risina Bikini Trimmer for women. This cordless electric razor promises to deliver a painless, smooth shave with its hypoallergenic ceramic blade, making it perfect for sensitive skin. But does it live up to its claims? Let's find out. The Risina Bikini Trimmer is designed as a 2-in-1 grooming tool featuring 2 distinct shaving heads. One head serves as a body shaver for areas like arms, legs, and the bikini zone, while the other is a facial razor intended for more delicate areas like the cheeks, chin, and upper lips. The trimmer is equipped with hypoallergenic stainless steel and ceramic blades, both of which are claimed to provide a smooth, pain-free experience. Another key feature is its long-lasting battery life, with the device running up to 90 minutes on a 1.5-hour charge, making it travel-friendly with its included USB charging cable. After putting this trimmer to the test in real-world conditions, here's what I found. First off, the design of the trimmer is sleek, with a stylish pink exterior, making it feel like a high-end beauty tool. The trimmer's lightweight, compact design adds to its appeal, especially for travel. I used the body shaver for my legs and bikini area and the facial shaver on my upper lip, and I was pleased with the results. The trimmer glided smoothly across my skin without any discomfort or pulling, exactly as advertised. There was no irritation, even in sensitive areas, which is a huge plus. However, while the body shaver performed excellently, I found the facial shaver less effective on thicker hair. It worked well for fine facial hair, but may not be as efficient for coarser hair growth. Now, let's dive into the pros and cons. On the positive side, this bikini trimmer is incredibly gentle on the skin, making it a great choice for those prone to irritation. The hypoallergenic blades, combined with the smooth performance, ensure that this trimmer does what it says without causing discomfort. The portability and ease of use make it a practical option for both home and travel. I also appreciate the long-lasting battery life. 90 minutes of use from a 1.5-hour charge is impressive, especially for a cordless device. On the flip side, while the bikini trimmer excels in comfort and ease, the facial shaver could be improved. It may not work as well on thicker facial hair, so if that's something you're concerned about, you might want to consider an alternative. The overall build, though lightweight and stylish, might not feel as sturdy as some other higher-end electric razors. In terms of value for money, the Risina Bikini Trimmer is reasonably priced, considering its multifunctionality, ease of use, and portability. You're getting a tool that works well for both body and facial hair removal, though it may not be the best option for those with coarse hair. For regular use, it's a solid option. Comparing it to similar products on the market, you'll find that it stands out with its dual-purpose design and hypoallergenic ceramic blades. Other bikini trimmers may have a single head for body use or be less gentle on the skin. Some competitors might have a slightly more robust performance on thicker hair, but for sensitive skin, this model holds its ground well. When it comes to build quality, the trimmer is solid but not overly heavy-duty. The lightweight design contributes to its portability, but it doesn't feel quite as premium as some other models. That being said, it doesn't appear fragile and should hold up well with regular care. As for customer support, I didn't need to reach out, but Risina has a reputation for solid service, which is reassuring if you ever need assistance with your product. If you're looking for a cheaper alternative, there are some other good bikini trimmers out there, but they often sacrifice the multifunctional design or hypoallergenic features. This model strikes a good balance between price and performance, especially if skin sensitivity is a priority. To wrap things up, the Risina Bikini Trimmer is a solid choice for anyone looking for a gentle, portable, and effective grooming tool. While the facial razor could use a bit more power, the body shaver delivers smooth results without irritation. It's best suited for those with sensitive skin or anyone who wants a reliable trimmer for both body and facial hair. Before we end, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more beauty reviews and tips right here on Beautyistic. Thanks for watching, and if you already own this trimmer or have questions, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing your thoughts. Goodbye for now, and keep your beauty routine Beautyistic.